If you're looking for information on the Meetzy Lifetime Deal and Review, you've come to the right place. The Meetzy Lifetime Deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the Meetzy Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Turn more high-value leads into qualified meetings instantly. Your website can generate a significant increase in qualified leads as 70% of them are booking demos directly from it. By improving the speed to lead by 10 times, you can also enhance your pipeline. Additionally, your lead experience will be phenomenal. How it works. Number 1. Import or create a form. Choose a HubSpot form that you have or make a new one. Our system will detect and analyze the fields for you. Number 2. Set up routing rules. Transform your lead generation process into a finely tuned conversion engine by filtering leads. Number 3. Assign sales reps to rules. Ensure that leads are promptly and accurately allocated to the appropriate sales representative without manual intervention. Meetzy streamlines lead management for sales teams by facilitating lead qualification, routing, and meeting scheduling. The platform integrates with HubSpot and Salesforce CRMs, automating lead, form creation, and team member registration. Intelligent lead routing enables prioritization based on form answers and assignment to multiple reps. Meetzy also directs qualified leads to a booking page and redirects unqualified leads to a custom message. Integration through Site Header or Google Tag Manager enables tracking of key metrics. Meetzy offers a bird's-eye view of performance and helps boost speed to lead times and conversion rates. Why are you let? Get lifetime access to Meetzy today. One-time purchase of $49 only. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you.